Hey everybody, this is David from QuickData.ai. As someone who's underwritten hundreds of multifamily deals, I want to share with you a tool that'll help you underwrite any multifamily deal in under 5 minutes by automating rent roll and T12 data entry into Excel. What you have to do is install QuickData on your computer, then it becomes a part of your Excel and allows you to import any rent roll and T12 data directly into your model. So what you see is I have a demo, sort of a scaled down version of a multifamily model open. In green, I mark the inputs, which are currently blank. These will come from the rent roll. If we scroll down, these inputs are blank as well. These are the revenue numbers from the T12. These are the expense numbers. I would normally have to copy and paste each and every one of these numbers from the original document into my model just in order to run the numbers and analyze the property. But what we've done is with QuickData, we've automated this for you and allowed you to jump right into analysis. Let me show you how it works. Without leaving Excel, you get to upload any rent roll, whether it's a CSV, Excel, or a PDF. I'll show you what this one looks like, but any legitimate multifamily rent roll will work. This one has rent and various charge codes. It has multiple layered cells. It doesn't really matter. So long as it's a legitimate rent roll, we could go ahead and upload it, and it'll extract that data and automatically input it into your model as follows. Okay, this is the raw data that's been extracted: square footage, bedrooms and bathrooms. If that's listed in the original rent roll, it'll extract that as well. Occupancy status, total rent, and all the other details from the rent roll. You get to review the data so that it's not a black box. All the data is presented for you. You have a summary of all the totals: number of units, which ones are occupied, which ones are vacant, the total rent that's being charged, and a unit mix summary has been automatically created for you, allowing you to input any of this data as inputs into your model. So if we go back to our model, if you remember, these fields over here were empty, but since I linked them to QuickData, they are now automatically populating my underwriting model and saving me tons of time because I don't have to do this manually. The same process works with a T12. So if I upload any T12, so long as it's a legitimate multifamily operating statement or a T12, I'm able to extract that data automatically and input it automatically into my model, saving me tons and tons of time. And you will be able to do that as well. And I will show you how in just a moment. Okay, there it is. The data from the T12 has been extracted. These are all the line items, the numbers, the various months. And the AI from QuickData automatically categorized each and every line item for you, saving you tons of time, right? However, you're still in control of the data. So what you would do is review, make sure that it is marked according to your preferences. So for example, if painting contract, I would prefer to have that not as make-ready, but as contract services. So I'm able to change that same way you'll be able to change any line item to your particular preferences. That then updates the totals for each and every line item category up here. So these are all the revenue totals, as you see. These are all the expense totals: payroll, advertising, etc. And I'm able to even get that on a per unit basis. So let's say this property has 120 units. Here it is. I'm able to see the T12, T6, T3, T1 on a per unit basis, the totals, everything I need in order to leverage this data as inputs into my model. So if we jump back into my model, there it is. These were blank before, as you saw. And now they're automatically inputted into my model, allowing me to jump right into analysis and saving me the trouble and the headache of copying and pasting all this data manually every single time I want to underwrite a multifamily deal. Instead, I underwrite the process using QuickData, jump right into analysis, and underwrite any multifamily deal in under 5 minutes with QuickData.ai.